What was it you say about the view?
The hardest climbs are the best views.
I think you're right.
It's hard to pinpoint what it was exactly or when it happened, but somewhere along the way, something has changed the way I see Peru, altered my conscience. Go ahead and cue the iconic guitar riff and ethereal sound of that famous Pixie song, because walking the streets of Cusco makes me ask myself, where is my mind? Is it the altitude? What is it about this place that gets under my skin? Could it be the coca leaves I'm chewing that has my head spinning? Well, I'm pretty sure that's just making my face numb. The landscape, the food, the people, the colors, the smells and sounds. There is something about Lima, something about Cusco, something about Peru that has captured my imagination and stolen a piece of my heart. I might even go as far as to say that coming here has made me rethink the way I see food completely. But I'm getting ahead of myself. This all started when I arrived in Lima 8 days ago.
Peru, on the season 4 finale of Food is Love.